Hey guys, my name is Aisha and welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you all Brodys Learning Corner, as he is currently in virtual pre-K and needed a learning space. This room acts as Brodys Learning Corner, my in-home office, and my craft storage. So with no further ado, let's get into this tour. Alright, so let's start with my son's posters that I got from Amazon. They came in a pack of 11, but the 3 you see here are currently relevant to my son's progress. The others have been stored away. Next to it is Brodys' daily schedule. It is a simplified way to track his day-to-day activities and not just check them off as he does them. Next to the daily schedule is a whiteboard. It came rolled up as a wall adhesive from the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General. I bought 2 rolls, as you can see, and it looks good for the price that I paid for it, minus a few bubbles. On Brodys' activity table is a big red barn. It came with multiple animals, and my son adores it. It is a great toy for identifying animals as well as identifying animal sounds with your toddler. Now, it did not come with a pig, so that is why I have the George pig here. My son's favorite animal is the pig, so we definitely need to get more pigs in his playroom. The other stuffed animals on the table were from Brodys' second birthday party, which was safari themed. They were gifts from my mother. Now, the table that all of this is sitting on is a 4-foot foldable table made for multi-purpose use that I decided to repurpose for or as a kid's table since I already had it on hand versus buying a toddler activity table. Under it is just storage. He has some balls and cards under here. Here you can see 2 more of his larger cars sitting on top of his toy chest, which is a 2-drawer plastic storage bin. The toys are not in no particular order, just out of sight and out of mind for me. That is how I organize my things. The majority of his toys are educational toys, such as building blocks, small books, animals, play food, flashcards, and cars. I try to avoid big bulky toys as I do have a limited amount of space that I'm working with. So most of his toys can fit into this 2-drawer storage. Now, if people do give me larger toys, they'll end up downstairs in a closet somewhere. This pointing finger I got from Amazon also the same day I bought the posters. I will include a link, but it was a pack of 3 and it is perfect for going over his alphabet, located as a border around the wall. I will also include the link for the alphabet as well as numbers 1 through 10. It came with numbers 1 through 10 also in the description box. It definitely gives the room a school vibe, and it was not hard to put up. I just used painter's tape. That's it. And it holds. Next, you have my office space. I could say that me and Brodys share this space because when he's doing his virtual lessons, he might use my laptop. But I have my printer over here, my laminator, and some of Brodys' books. My books are all downstairs in the front room. But I would like to put Brodys' books on the wall, on a shelf, but right now they're all here. Here is Brodys' learning folder. I already have a video going over what's inside this folder, so I won't go into detail about it, but I did create this to help encourage my son's learning. Be sure to see the description box for more details because we love doing laminated activities. 4 strawberries and 1 apple. Good job, Brody. Good job. Give me a high five. Yay! All right, so now let's go take a look in the closet. Now, the closet is where I store all of my craft items. Let's start by looking at the top. This is unorganized at the top, but I have this safari hat from his second birthday party. I have a face shield due to COVID-19. I have some laminating pouches as well as some mailers, some binders, some random storage buckets up here, and some rocks. Now my son loves being outside and he loves playing with rocks. So I bought these rocks to paint them. Alright, so moving down, the first thing you see is this white bucket. And we use this bucket for his sensory activities. I'll put some rice, some magnetic letters, some farm animals, or whatever it may be as it relates to sensory activities in that bucket and do an activity. And I keep all of the sensory related items in the bottom drawer of this 3-drawer plastic storage unit. So it has all types of things down here. It has stickers. It has eggs, like plastic Easter eggs, rice, which I do plan on dyeing, some with different colors. What else it has down here? Like little play spiders, cotton, anything related to sensory is located in this bottom drawer. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get a good look of what's all in here. Okay, so now that we're done with the bottom drawer, let's look at the second drawer. The second drawer is where I keep all of Brodys' crayons or coloring type activities, so art supplies. You have washable crayons here, some chalk, maybe some washable markers. I tend to only buy the washable crayons, but he do be gifted other crayons. This is where I keep all of his drawings that he has completed. Under the crayons, I have coloring books, construction paper, activity books, more crayons, and some flashcards that I have nowhere to put. And then in the top drawer is Brodys' puzzles. He has about 5 puzzles right now, but to try to keep up with the pieces, I put them in here. The one on top is too big to fit in the drawer, so it's just sitting at the top. And then here is a little food basket that came with some plastic food. I do not like those box foods. I think they look too realistic and my son will destroy those. So I try to keep those out of sight for him. And we don't use those box foods. I wish they were plastic. So that sums up Brodys' items. Here are my craft items. I think it should be a whole video in itself, so I won't go into details about it. And that is our room. This is our office / learning room / guest room, because Brodys does not sleep in this room, and / craft room. What do you guys think? I think I definitely utilized the space very well, especially with this being such a small room. If you like this video, let me know by leaving a comment down below, as well as clicking the thumbs up button. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this one, click the subscribe button. All related videos or related links will be in the description box. And as always, thank you for watching.